Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss this important question of exercise 2.3 question number 2. According to ALP question number 2, 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and x square plus xy minus y square is equal to 1. Student, this is simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation, the system of equation having some common solution. So simplify this type of equation. The one is linear and other is non-linear in two variable. So firstly, name this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay. So let's start from equation number 1. From 1. 3x minus 2y is equal to 1. First of all, find the value of x. 3x is equal to 1. So minus 1, it becomes a plus 2y. 3 multiply, move from left to right, it becomes divide 1 plus 2y over 3. Okay. This is the value of x. Name as 3 and then put into 2. So find from 1 and put into equation 2. Put into equation 2. This one. Second equation is x square. Replace x with the value of this 1 plus 2y over 3 whole square plus xy. X means 1 plus 2y over 3, y as it is, minus y square is equal to 1. So students, open your brackets. In numerator use the a plus b whole square and in denominator simple 3 square 9. So according to a plus b formula, 1 plus 2y square means 4y square plus 2 2s are 4y. 3 square means 9 plus y, multiply this one, it becomes y plus 2y square over 3 minus y square is equal to 1. So this is a fractional, so multiply with 9, which is the LCM. So when you multiply with 9, then the final 9 cancel with 9 and then final result 1 plus 4y square plus 4y plus here 3 cancel with 9, then 3 remaining y plus 2y square and here y square becomes 9y square and 9 ones are 9. So student, this is the linear formation and then open bracket 3y, 3 2s are 6 y square 9y square. So this 9 move here, then it becomes minus 9 equal to 0. So separate all values and plus minus y square and y square. It means these 3y square, 4 plus 6, 6 minus 9, it means the 1y square. Okay. Similarly, y and y, 4 plus 3, 7y and last is 1 minus 9, it becomes minus 8. So student, this is the quadratic equation in term of phi. So solve this quadratic equation and find the two values of a variable y. Okay. By using any methods, you study factorization or completing square or a quadratic formula, any method. So let's start this one. Y square plus 7y minus 8 equal to 0, and by factorization then it becomes y square plus 8y minus y. You know about the factorization, the product of for two terms is equal to 8 and then difference is 7. Okay, so take y common and y plus 8 minus 1 common y plus 8 equals 0, y plus 8 and y minus 1 equal to 0, and then product of a two factor is equal to 0. It means separate one, y plus 8 is equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 8. Okay, and y minus 1 equal to 0 means y is equal to 1. This one. So these are two values of y. This is not your solution set, because in this equation x and y there are two variables. So we find two variable x and y. Okay. So these two values of y. So for x use 3. X is equal to 1 plus 2y, 1 plus 2y, and y is equal to minus 8. It becomes minus 16 over 3 minus 15 over 3. Students, cancel and it becomes minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. Okay. And here from this again put into 3, x is equal to 1 plus 2y, y is equal to 1 in this case. 1 plus 2 divided by 3 means 3 over 3. So x is equal to cancel and 1, x is equal to 1. Okay. So these two values of x correspondingly y. So the solution set will be, first and foremost student, x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 when y is equal to minus 8. Okay. And then second is x is equal to 1 when y is equal to 1. This one. So student, I hope so you understand this question. Very simple and easy question. This is the simultaneous equation in two variable x and y, and then solution in term x comma y in ordered pair. Okay. So first and foremost find from 1 and substitute in second equation, and it becomes a quadratic equation. Find any method, quadratic factorization or any other method which you want. Okay. So find y, x and then other variables. Okay. So if you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.